Oh shit. It's starting up again. It was just calm. It was just calm. Now this shit wanna start the fuck back up. I think the earth on her damn period. Cause this bitch can't never make up her mind. Like she having mood swings every second. Fucking minute, one minute she wanna be happy and shit, or jolly. Then she mad as shit, like mad as shit the moon don't fuck with you, dickhead. Old ass moon, like. Anyway, yeah, this shit drawn. Like, I can feel the raindrops from over here. Like, it's fucked up. Like, real fucking right. As soon as this shit done, it's gonna be like 95 degrees outside, sun shining for the rest of the year. No. This shit getting on my goddamn nerves. I want some McDonald's. Yeah, some fucking McDonald's. But anyway. You know what I'm saying? I'm drawn. Fuck am I making this video for? What the fuck am I doing this shit for? Huh? I don't know. This fucking earth drawn though. Like it's really white outside. Fucking white. Oh, y'all don't believe me. I guess I gotta get up and show y'all. That is a white sky. That ain't gray. That's white. Fucking sky is white. Like, who the fuck? Only in America, right? Y'all want a better view of what's going on outside? Even better view? Like, where this shit coming from? Y'all can't really see it that good on my phone. But, yeah, because I got some bitch ass Android phone. Shit corny and shit. I'm about to grind myself the fuck up. Fuck out of here, dickhead. Metro PCS looking ass dickhead. No, fuck out of here. But no, yeah, it's coming down out this bitch. It's like waves in the sky. Waves of rain. Kind of cool. But then again, this shit is irking. It's fucking irking, dickhead. Oh no. Really, like, where this shit coming from? Like, who asked this shit to happen? Who fucking said rain? Who said that? I'ma punch whoever said that shit straight in their motherfucking mouth. Make them bleed for like 2 minutes and then wipe their face off and be like, you good? You good now? You good now? Are you done? Anyway, this tree look like a bunch of collard greens. I'm weird. So yeah, I'm bored of shit though, as y'all can see. But yeah, I'm out. Bye.